How's it going, everybody? Chip Bleem here from Freedom Chiropractic and Rehab. Just wanted to take a minute to talk about an article that I came across this week. One of our patients sent us a link to an article from T Nation. Not sure if you're familiar with T Nation, but it's a strength training, bodybuilding website that really focuses on all aspects of the sport. So they talk about training principles and ideas. They talk about specific workouts. They talk about how to recover properly, how to hydrate properly, proper nutrition, all of these things. So it's a really good resource for that. And one of the articles that we saw was written by a guy named Rustin. And John is a DPT, so he's a doctor of physical therapy, and he's also a certified strength conditioning specialist. So he focuses on all aspects. So not just the training portion, but it also helps his clients with the recovery aspect. He talked about 4 specific treatment modalities that are very effective in treating soft tissue injuries. And we do all 4 of them here at Freedom Chiropractic and Rehab. So the first one that he talked about was instrument-assisted soft tissue mobilization. Basically what we do is we use metal tools to help that muscle to recover from the injury. We used to think that we were able to break up scar tissue adhesions, but we found through some research that that's not likely to be the cause of the benefit from the treatment. So what we do now is we actually use those tools to go very lightly, and we're seeing that we're getting the same benefits. The goal is to get the muscle to respond to the treatment and then be able to strengthen that muscle. He also mentioned functional dry needling, which is using acupuncture needles, but in a different way than most acupuncturists use them. We're trying to elicit a response from the muscles that gets those muscles where we have trigger points to contract and then reflexively relax. He talks about spinal mobilizations and manipulations, which we use through the spine, but we also do in the shoulder and the hip and the ankle, sometimes in the knee, sometimes in the elbow. But those manipulations help the joints to move a little bit more freely. The goal then is to use some strength training to stabilize so that those joints move effectively and efficiently. And the last thing he talks about is active release technique. We don't do active release technique, but we use a similar technique with, again, similar results to what the named technique gets. So after reading this article, I thought to myself, why in the world don't more people come here as their primary spot for treatment of soft tissue injuries? It's what we do. So if you're dealing with shoulder injuries or hip issues or even plantar fasciitis, don't think of our office as just a lower back pain office. We do a heck of a lot more than that. And we use these techniques with all of our patients. So if you're dealing with any of those injuries, you have any questions, feel free to shoot us an email at info@freedom-chiro.com, or feel free to give our office a call. Number's 410-795-0400. Again, feel free to email us or give us a call. We're here to help and be happy to help you through those injuries if you're dealing with them. Thank you very much, and have a great day.